What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I created this smoky bronze glam prom tutorial. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then make sure to keep watching, but first make sure to hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, as well as hit that little bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's go ahead and get started. So to go ahead and get started, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to be using this to prep my eyelids for shadow. So for this look, I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Tartelette in Bloom palette, which looks like this. First shade I'm going to be taking is Rebel. I'm picking this color up on a small tapered blending brush and just popping that right in the crease. So you just want to make sure that you get that first crease color down. You don't have to worry about it being completely blended or anything, because now we are going to go in with the shade Sweetheart and we are going to use this to blend out our first crease color. I'm picking this color up on the same brush but a clean one and just blending the edges out of that first color. Now that I have that color down, I'm just going to take a fluffy blending brush and blend that out. Going back in with that Rebel color, I'm just going to blend it up a little bit further into that lighter shade. Also going to start putting it right on the outer corner. I'm going to take a little bit of this darker brown color in the shade Leader, and I'm going to pick that up on the same brush and put that on top of the outer corner. I'm going to pick up some of that Sweetheart color on that fluffy blending brush and use that to help blend out the edges. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using a small detail brush and my Tarte Shape Tape. I have done this a million times. You guys have seen it. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed. For my lid color, I'm going to go in with this really pretty bronzy shade called Firecracker. But before I actually put that down, I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue and I'm going to use this as a base for that shimmer shadow because it's going to make it pop a little bit more than just putting it on top of that concealer. You can also go ahead and spray your brush if you don't have glitter glue. I'm going to take Leader on that small tapered blending brush and just blend out the edge of that lid color. So now I'm going to put on falsies. I'm going to be using the Esqido lashes in the style Midnight Symphony. I absolutely love these lashes. The only thing I will say is that they are a bit pricey, which is annoying. But you guys can use any style lashes that you want to use. Now that my lashes are on, we are going to be moving on to the face. And I'm going to go ahead and prime using my Maybelline Master Prime in Blur and Smooth. And also the NYX Pore Filler. So this is just going to go all over my face. Whereas the NYX one is just going to go in the center where I have more pores. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to do a little bit of spot concealing before I go in with my foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation and I'm going to be mixing soft ivory and soft beige. This is what you have to do when your foundation is hella empty. For concealer, I'm going to mix together my Urban Decay Naked Skin and the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes and the rest of my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Fair. To bronze my skin, I'm going to go in with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use Milani Luminoso. So to finish off my lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and take these two shades on an angled brush and put that really close to my lash line. Now I'm going to blend that color out using these two colors right here. I'm going to pick up a little bit of this color Leader, and I'm also going to use that to just further deepen up the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with the NYX Wonder Pencil in Light, and I'm going to use this in my waterline. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to take this gold color right here. And lastly, to finish off the eyes, I'm just going to pop on some lower lash mascara. So now that our eyes are done, we can go ahead and finish off the face. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with Tarte Exposed. I'm going to use a Morphe 412 for this, and I'm just going to pop that on the tip of my nose. For my lips, I'm going to go in with Chi Lip Liner from ColourPop, Honey Love Lipstick from MAC, and Butterfly Bling Lip Gloss from MAC Mariah Carey collection. And this is the final look. I really like the way it turned out. Nice and sultry, bronze, glam. You guys can switch up this look however you want to. Use products that you guys like, that you know work for you. When you're going to prom, you want to make sure that you guys are using your staple products. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.